So what's up everyone, welcome to Fire's channel. In this video we're gonna be discussing with ourselves the requirement of a good drawing. Like, what is this? What does it take to actually create a good drawing? So before I go into the tutorial, if you're just watching this video for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're just watching again or joining the channel again, you're welcome back. So 5 overall requirements of a good drawing, and the first thing I would want to discuss with you, or that I'm going to be discussing with you, is that your drawing should be A, clean, B, simple, and C, it should be clean. So let's try to discuss that. Now your drawing should be clean in terms of not being dirty, simple in terms of passing the right information immediately, mere looking at it I can understand what you're trying to say, and clear, it should not be blur. Like, that is just a simple thing. So the second one is that your drawing should actually correspond with the accurate scaled measurements. So if you actually draw most of your details drawing or anything, like if you actually use a scale of 1:100, whenever I try to use the scale to measure it, it should be it should be accurate as easy as possible. That is what you should actually try to do in order to acquire a good drawing. So the third one I'm going to be discussing with you is that extra information should be provided in order to carry out the work at site without scaling. So the drawing should be able to pass the right information without trying to scale it. So if you actually try to do something like this and then write that this is 30 meters, I should be able to look at it and say, okay, it's okay to be 30 meters. You understand what I'm trying to say? So your drawing should mere looking at it, I should understand that, okay, this is not that I would do something like this and write 30 meters. It's not just working here, but it's still working here and something like that. So the fourth one that I'm going to be discussing is that only minimum notes to support the drawing should be indicated in the drawing. You don't try to bombard your drawing with notes, like notes, and I'm trying to doing stuff like that. It's not gonna be making your drawing to be acceptable anyway. So the fifth one, which is the 5 of all, is sufficient space should be provided between the views so as to mark the dimension without crowding. So if this is what you are drawing, try to create a sufficient space to give your drawing details. So I want you guys to actually make sure you're subscribing to my channel,